Everybody, how you doing? So a few days into our challenge now, and everything's been going great. I hope you're enjoying it. So far we have started to schedule in our workouts, and we should be all filling out our tracker. We've worked out how much water we need to be drinking, half our body weight in water. Um, Seems like a lot for some of you, but you're all doing great. And you know what? You'll feel so much better when you get your correct amount of water in. It will help with any hunger you have. You'll get more energy, but hopefully you won't be up all night. So try and get it in the morning. It's much easier that way. Yesterday we worked on our goals, so I hope you've written some down and you've got some clear goals in mind. You know, this is only 2 or 3 weeks, so it really should be around setting yourself up for healthier habits as an ongoing thing rather than, losing all the weight in this next couple of weeks, okay? So make sure they are realistic goals for the next couple of weeks, and also your goals should keep moving. So as you hit one goal, move to the next. Make sure they're small goals so that you can get there within a certain amount of time. Celebrate your success, not with food. Go out, buy new clothes, have your nails done, sit back and relax and watch your favorite movie. I don't know what it is for you. For me, I like having a bath or something along that line. But don't reward yourself with food, but do reward yourself with each of those small successes that you make. Okay, so today we're getting into the nuts and bolts of it. It is meal planning. So with your club membership, it does it for you. It's awesome. So I wanted to show you how to do it so that we can all get our meal plan sorted today. So when you've logged in, you should get a home screen like this. So this is how you get into your Beachbody on demand, which is what we talked about previously. This time, I want you to go to your Eat Smart area, and here you can see my meal planner. So what I want you to do is click into your meal planner, and it allows you to personalize your meal plan. So what I'm going to do here is you'll go to my meal planner, but I've already set one up. So I'm going to change my meal plan. So it'll ask you to input some details. So here's your meal plan wizard. So have you already completed a Beachbody program? For you guys, this will be, most of you, it's your first program. For me, I've already completed one. What is your goal? Is it to lose a lot of weight, some weight, the last few pounds, same weight and tone up, gain weight and muscle? How often are you expecting to work out? So once per day. What your primary program will be. So if you've decided that there are certain ones that you like, you can put that in. Right down the bottom here, you could go with aerobics 30 minutes if you're kind of going to do a different 30-minute program each time. You've got the option of cycling or running, weight training. If, for example, you've decided that you're not ready to do any of these workouts and you're going to stick with, say, walking, go on to the yoga booty ballet, which is like a really low impact one, which would be fairly similar to walking. So right now I'm doing 21-day fix mainly, so I'm just going to click onto that. It gives you the option of doing a vegetarian diet, yes or no. How old are you? I am a full 5'2" lucky me. Asks for your weight in pounds and click submit. Oh, I missed one. Okay, activity level. So I'm relatively active. Yeah, probably relatively active. There we go, submit. Okay, so now it's decided that my plan here is for an active lifestyle, and I need 1900 calories a day. You get the option here to include a serving of Shakeology every day. That's like a awesome meal replacement. It's like my most nutritious meal of the day. It's all natural ingredients, and it's not just protein. It's got a load of nutrients that you need. It's like, I don't know, 6 or so cups full of vegetables in with it. So it's awesome. but you can unclick it if you're not taking Shakeology at the moment, and it will put an actual meal in the place of where you have Shakeology. So I have Shakeology, I say accept, take me to my meal plan. Alright, and then what it's done is it gives me a week's worth of meals, so awesome. I've got feta and tomato egg scramble, apple and peanut butter for my snack, a chicken pineapple salad. I'm going to do my Shakeology as my snack too, and a dinner of basil chicken. Okay, so that's day 1, then it has day 2, day 3, and all the way through. You see that there are a lot of different options in here. The first time you do this, it's a good idea to sort of spend a little bit of time and get what you want in and put it as your favorites. But let's just say you decided I didn't want the chicken pineapple salad for lunch. I'm going to go click edit, and I'm going to close here, and I'm going to put that says substitute meal. So I'm going to do that, and then it says okay, so what do you want instead? And I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to go, you know what, I'm going to have a fruit salad with yogurt instead. So I'm going to click that in, and it's going to add it to my lunch there. And then if I go to my daily summary, I can now see that I've put my fruit salad with yogurt in there instead. For dinner here, it looks at your entire meal, and let's just say I'm not sure I want chicken. Let's click here, and instead let's have a look, see what else. Ooh, maybe I'm going to go with salmon because I have some in the freezer. I don't know, right? So I'm going to put salmon in there instead, so it switches it out. Sweet potato mash. Do I want sweet potato mash? What else could I have instead? I might decide to do brown rice with mine instead. And I like strawberries. Okay, now down here it's got your nutrition facts. So this is for my day. So I've done all my switches now, and I need to come in and just double check that I've stuck to my target. So I've got my calories are pretty close. So green means I'm doing well. Red means I'm not within my target. Now my iron's low. I actually take some iron pills because my iron is actually really low normally, so I'm okay with that because I know I get it in mine. But if I wasn't, I would go back and add in some products with more iron in there, like some extra spinach, which, you know what, I do have spinach in with my Shakeology anyway, and I normally put spinach in with my eggs, so that probably would boost up my iron pretty well. Okay, so then I would do that for each of my days, and so you can now view by your week. You go through and you can change up. Once you get this set up, you can put things like this as a favorite, so it makes it really easy. If you want the same breakfast every day, you can just click onto it, make it your favorite, and then switch everything over to the same breakfast. That can make things a little bit easier for you. Now what you can do, if you go over here, you can see the printer. You can print, and what this will do is it gives you everything within your meal plan. So here you've got the recipe and all the ingredients for my breakfast, how to prepare it, the time it takes, and all those things there. You can include your nutritional information, so that actually, if anybody's tracking their micro and macro nutrients and things, you can see what's happening with each of your meals, and it gives you absolutely everything for the whole all the recipes for the whole week after you've adjusted everything. So you can then print this off. I normally print mine to so if I go print page, and let me move this to here, I have this cute PDF writer, which was a free download, so that just therefore prints it to a PDF file instead of printing it out, but you can print it out if you have a printer at home as well. So what your challenge is today is to set up your next week's recipes. Okay, so I want you all to go in, I want you to create your weekly meal plan, and I want you to post below if you've done it or not. If you have any issues, please let me know. I'm gluten free, so what I tend to do is if there's toast like you can see here, I'll switch it out. So for me, my scrambled eggs, I often have sweet potato in with my scrambled eggs or a piece of gluten free toast, right? So you can switch out all your pasta quite easily. Try and keep everything to whole wheat and brown rice if you can. If you're not a fan of brown rice yet, how we switched out as a family was we started doing quarter of a cup brown rice, 3/4 of a cup white rice. Then after a few weeks, we went to half and half, and then 3/4 brown, and then quarter white, until we're all using just brown rice now. The kids love it; they don't really know any different. Um, if you have any questions or any issues, please let me know. But you need to do this today because the next couple of challenges are going to be based on your weekly plan. Okay, so have fun and have a great day, everybody. Okay, bye.